Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Finn, and today I'm going to be making apple cider donuts because they're really good. I've had them before, and apples are in season now. So the first step is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then the ingredients are 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 150 grams of sugar, 165 grams of brown sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 225 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla. And for apple cider, you take a cup, you put it in a saucepan, and you reduce it till it's half a cup. And you're not going to remember all those ingredients, so I'm just going to put them in the description as long with the directions. Okay, so next you're going to add the flour, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg, or all your dry ingredients, into a big bowl, and you're going to whisk to combine. So in the bowl of my stand mixer, I combined 10 tablespoons of my butter, the rest is for later, 1/4 cup of my granulated sugar, the rest is also for later, and all my brown sugar, and I fitted it with the paddle attachment, and I'm going to cream it until it's all combined. Okay, so I mixed together those ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes until they're light and fluffy. You don't have to do it for exactly 3 to 4 minutes. Then you're going to add your eggs one at a time, and combining well in between, and then add your vanilla. Okay, now I've combined those ingredients, and I'm going to take the dry ingredient mixture from earlier, put it in there, and then mix on low until well combined. Okay, so now I got those ingredients mixed. I'm going to have my mixture running on low, and I'm going to gradually add in my condensed apple cider, or reduced. So now I've taken my batter and put them into greased donut pans, and I filled them 2/3 of the way full. And you're going to put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until like a toothpick or a knife comes out clean. Okay, so I got my donuts out of the oven. I took them out of their pans and I flipped them onto the baking sheet after cooling for 5 minutes. This is very important. Then I took the rest of the butter from earlier, or 6 tablespoons, and then I melted it. And I took the rest of the sugar from earlier and a teaspoon of cinnamon and mixed them together into this sugar cinnamon mixture. And so what I'm going to do is coat both sides, and I'm just going to show you one. Coat one side, flip it around, coat the other with butter, and then take it and dip it in here and get it all coated. And then after that, ta-da, I'm going to do that to all of them. Okay, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy them. I will too. They're mostly for me. My family doesn't get any. Thank you. See you.